In this tutorial, you'll learn how easy it is to use generated code in Xcode for iOS development. We'll use a completed layout code project for this example. To show the generated code, first click Code Generator button at top right of the app. Code Generator shows you complete code generated by LayoutCode. There are different categories of the generated code. Number of files generated are based on complexity of the project. There are no configuration needed at the code generator. You can just export the code using Export button at top right of the window. Click Export Files to export all generated code files at the selected folder. Now open Xcode and create an empty project. Open the folder where you have exported the files. You can see the files are nicely organized in its own folder. Then select all the files generated from LayoutCode, put it in the project in Xcode. Select Main Storyboard. Change the ViewController class to the ViewController class name generated by LayoutCode. In this case, change the name to Smart Home VC. Run the project. Nice, the project works great without any coding. Let us try run the project for iPhone 13 Max. Still working great. This is because the project UI is responsive as we have set layout constraints correctly in LayoutCode.